everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos. And today I'm just going to do my makeup and we're going to talk a bit, chill out. In a very recent video I said I would do a Q&A, but well, I don't have a lot of subscribers, so I didn't get, well, to be honest, I didn't get any questions at all. So I searched on Google for some questions and I found a bunch of them. So we're going to take these questions and do my makeup. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell so you don't miss, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos. Let's start this Q&A. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm not going to talk a lot about the products, we're just going to focus on the actual questions. Let's start. So, first question. What food have you never eaten but would really like to try? I've actually tried a lot of stuff, so I don't know. Well, I have a struggle with most food. I've eaten it, but I don't actually like it. No, I don't know. I eat the food I want. So next question. What's something you really recent paying for? Or paid for maybe? Well, I actually went to the store today and I bought some Christmas gifts and some Christmas decoration. So yeah, that's a very recent buy. Or do they mean expensive? I don't know. Next question. What would a world populated by clones of you be like? Well, that would be a struggle. I always feel like I'm right in stuff and everyone else is wrong, so I guess it would be a struggle. But at the same time, I can work with others and I can pretend to listen, so it always solves itself. We would have really fun because I'm really funny, if I'm allowed to say that myself. So yeah, but I don't think that would work actually. Do you think that aliens exist? No, I don't think that, no. What are you currently worried about? Oh, well, yeah, a lot. Work, and a lot of family issues right now. Yeah, just things around that. I don't really have contact with one of my parents right now, and I don't think I ever will. And well, that's a struggle because we had a relationship for most of my life, a really good one, but when I turned maybe 14 or 15, it just no. So since then it's just been a lot of shit, and well, I'm disappointed in a million ways. So yeah, right now it's worse than ever, and it actually resulted in me and my sister ending our relationship, and the rest of, well, grandparents and stuff. I'm not, maybe not worried, but I'm worried for the other parent because, yeah, I don't know. Long answer, so I don't want to talk about that too much. Maybe I can do a separate video on my vlog channel, and you can see that instead. Where are some unusual places you've been? I've been to Morocco, and I don't think that's so common here in Sweden that you go to Morocco. And also I've been in, well, no, I don't know, maybe that's the most exciting place. No, I don't know. I was really young, so I don't remember much, but I remember the market, and they sat on these rugs with snakes and stuff. So that's pretty much the memories I have. And also we were going to ride this, I don't know the English word, camels. Yeah, camels. And I remember they tried to charge us for more than they originally said. So yeah, that's pretty much what I remember. But I think that's a unusual place to be for living in Sweden. But other than that, I don't think I've been... No, I just been traveling a lot during my childhood. So I've been to a lot of places. Yeah, I also been to Sicily a lot more recently, and not in these tourist cities. I've been in Termini, so it's a very small city and, well, pretty much no tourists. And that's a really nice experience because, yeah, it's special. Very special. Where do you get your news? Well, on news websites. We have those as everyone else. And of course, people talk a lot about news, so you hear it from others. If we talk more about drama here on YouTube, I watch some drama channels, Rich Looks and Adam something. He's really, really funny, very young, but he has some really nice opinions. What are some red flags to watch out for in daily life? Girl, everything. Everything. Red flags. Red flags, people taking advantage of you. You realize it very, very fast. I'm an overthinker, so I see the red flags all the time. And when you're in love, seeing someone, oof, the flags are like a Christmas tree with colors everywhere. I'm almost right every time. That's not a specific questions. What do they mean? I think when it comes to relationships, you can see flags of issue when the person just talks about themselves, and if you tell them something about you and they not really care to answer, that's a red flag. And when they just okay, and not discuss, they're not interested in listening to you, throw that relationship into the trash because they're trash. Okay, that will save you a lot of time and energy, I think. What's going on with my eyebrows? When it comes to boys, I actually read, or I listened to a very, very good book. He's just not that into you is the name of that book, and my god, it's so good. Yeah. If you have issues and problems with boys, you should really, really listen to that. They're pretty straightforward about all the lies boys tell, and yeah, the red flags. So that's a really nice one about, well, boys. When did something start out badly for you, but in the end it was great? Damn, girl, these questions. Well, when I did my first surgery, the more serious one, because the other one was a plastic surgery, but the first one I did was, well, I can't pronounce it. Diverticulum. I don't know. I have a video about that on my vlog channel, but, well, it turned out good, but it was, oh my god, it was hell. I had to go to the, you say ER? Yeah, I think so. In the middle of the night, and it was a pain I never felt before in my whole life, and I never want to feel it again. And yeah, it was just, yeah, worst time of my life. And they actually told me, well, if I went through with the surgery, I wasn't going to be normal, and I would probably have a catheter and stuff permanently. But in the end, when I healed and everything, it was better than before. Really nice surprise. If your job gave you a surprise 3-day paid break to rest and recuperate, what would you do with those 3 days? Well, 3 days, that's not a lot. I mean, that's like a weekly break, you know, pretty much. I think I would just be home and clean, do videos, you know, do stuff you normally don't because you don't have time. Maybe just prepare for Christmas overall, because yeah, I had some real struggles with my lashes. They're individual lashes, so it took some time, and I wasn't really happy about my eyebrows either, so I've just wasted a lot of time. Next question. Where do you get most of the decorations for your home? I love second-hand stores, so that's a place or places I purchase a lot from. Yeah, I don't know. I shop a lot, so when I find something I like, I buy it. Dollar stores, IKEA, not so much from IKEA, but some, and just furniture stores. I don't have a favorite store, but yeah, secondhand stores. So fun. You can find some really cheap stuff. Love that. What's the most expensive thing you've broken? Well, 2 things. Actually, first of all, I have well, the machine you dry your clothes in. What do you call it? Drying machine? I don't know. Yeah, I dried some pants with a screwdriver inside, so the glass broke, and it was new, the machine. That's at least $400-500 just going to waste. And also my car had some marks, or it still has, from stones and stuff, so I didn't want it to get worse. So I went to the car shop and ordered almost like a nail polish, but yeah, a polish with the exact same shade as my car was painted in. Well, I was afraid to do it because I felt like I was going to, yeah, destroy the car. Some time went past, and one day when I had a lot of wine to drink, I decided now is the time to fix the car. So I painted all of the marks and spots and stuff, and I realized the spots turned out much lighter and weirder than the rest of the car. So I thought, well, maybe it's going to dry darker. So I continued and did all of the marks on the car, and the next day I went out to the garage and checked the car and they were still light. Okay, my car is destroyed. So yeah, it looks weird. I have to repaint it, or yeah, just sell it and buy a new car. I don't know. Annoying. I think that's very expensive to solve. But I don't know. How do you judge a person? Whew. Well, mostly if the person seems stupid or dumb and just, you know, they're not as good as I am, then I have a difficult time to be with them. I need to be with people who are smarter than me, or at least at the same level. And I don't mean I'm really smart, but they're always going to be persons who are smarter or, you know, dumber. I also judge people who can't take responsibility. I hate when people say, well, I can't get a job right now because there aren't any jobs. You can always find a job. It just, maybe it's not a good job, so don't use that as your excuse. It just feels like you're lazy. At least admit it. I hate excuses. What more? Yeah, people... This is... Well, maybe it's mean, I don't know. But I judge people who lives at home at grown age, lives with the parents. Like, why would you even want that? Please, grow up. And I understand if you have a good reason. Maybe you just broke up with someone and you're between apartments or houses. Maybe you're studying. Maybe you're sick or you need help somehow. But other than that, I will judge you. And also people who actually need a driver license, but they're too lazy or too, you know, don't want to waste their precious money. I don't like that. And I don't like when, if I go out on a date, I know this is different for everyone, but I like the old way. Of course I can pay the check, but, and sometimes I do, but I always want the boy or man to, you know, do it. If I'm not quicker and do it before him, it depends. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's manly to pay the check. Of course, that's just the first couple of dates. Then it doesn't really matter. Of course, it depends on your economy and stuff, but yeah, in the beginning, the man should always pay, in my opinion. If he doesn't, I will look at him in a different way and I will judge him for being, you know, yeah, cheap. So that's not attractive for me, and that's a big no-no. What's your most recent lie? Well, lie and lie. I don't really lie a lot, but maybe I'm not mentioning everything and twist the truth a bit, but I don't think I lie a lot, do I? Yeah, sometimes I lie, okay? I can admit it, but I can't tell you here what I lie about, okay? Yeah, so I need to take a shower and then I have to go to work, so we have to wrap this video up. Yeah, it's nothing special. I like my new hair bun, so cute. But yeah, as I said, I have to go to work, so I have to pack some things up, shower, change clothes and everything. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I can do a part 2 with more questions when I have more time, if that's appreciated. And of course, you can always write questions in the comments so I can include them as well. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell and turn on the notifications if you don't want to miss my future videos. And I see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.